Yeah, it's on.
Okay. Did you get a chance to go through the reading and stuff?
Kind of.
No, that's the way both Cash and I were too. But we think we figured it out. So he submitted his test and he missed 3. So those 3 are the ones that we're working on right now. Plus, we'll go through and then you can get what we did.
Okay, is Cash gonna come back or no?
No, he had to go. He was meeting some people. So.
Oh, okay. Okay. So which questions?
Well, let's go through the whole thing because then that way you can get it.
Okay.
So question 3 is, in a previous lesson, we had assumed the population standard deviation, I don't know what that is, omega, was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about omega. What has changed? And in that one, what do you think? All of a sudden, it's slow. Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I don't know. Maybe it's my internet. I don't know.
It was really slow. Maybe it's mine. So question 3, we assumed that omega was not known.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. So we have. So we got this. Oh, okay.
Because we have to find the T. We have to find the T distribution. So that means we don't know what the omega is.
Okay. Makes sense now.
So for the next 2 questions, let the null and alternative hypothesis be that the mu is 8, and in the alternative, the mu is greater than 8. And assume that the population standard deviation is not known. And Becca collects a sample size of 9 and computes X to be 11 and the sigma to be 6.
Okay.
So in this one, is omega known? It's not omega. What's the name of that?
It's omega, right? Yeah, I think it's omega.
Okay, yes, you are correct. 4 is no.
Okay.
5, it says, what is the value of T?
Okay, the value of T. It's gonna be the X minus U divided by S divided by the square root of N.
Which is 9.
Which is 9.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I can read the next one.
Did you get the answer? So question 5, did you get the answer?
9? No, wait. Oh, the N is 9. Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, N is 9. So you got to figure out what the answer is.
Okay, yeah, I'll figure out in 1 second.
So I had it written like this. Sorry, let me get so what I can see. I had it written like where it says 11 minus 8.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what I'm reading down right now.
Okay.
Yeah, it was the same. Uh, 1.5.
Yes, that's what we had.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So next one, use the following values which were pulled from the data file body 10 for the next 5 questions. Copy and paste them into your software. Use the null hypothesis 98.6, alternative hypothesis 98.6, and level of significance alpha equals 0.05.
Right.
So wait, which software?
This is in the one that is the, sorry, I got it. It's the copy of the quantitative inference procedures. So it's under the resources. It's was downloaded. You could download it at the same time as when you did the quantitative. Let me tell you what it is. The quantitative descriptive statistics.
Okay, course resources, and then the T probability applet.
No, it's not the normal probability. It's the
T.
The T. Which one are you talking about?
The T probability applet, not the normal.
Oh, is that in there? Is that in the SPSS?
It's on the course resources.
Right. I used, let me show you which one I used.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me. It is this one. The one sample t-test for means.
Okay, is this quantitative inference procedures?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Now I have it here.
Sorry, I copied all the numbers down. Because you can't copy and paste.
Oh, yeah?
I couldn't. Cash couldn't.
Okay, let me see.
Muito nome, sério. No final foi a coisa mais fofa do mundo.
Okay.
Okay. This is.
Mine is super heavy. My file.
It is.
Okay, I think I can copy and paste. Let me make sure.
Well, you could if you went into the file that they have it that they're taking it from. Because they're taking it from the body temp file.
You cannot copy from iLearn. That's the thing.
No, you can't.
That's terrible. Okay. So let me write it down.
Well, I'll read it to you if you want to put them in there.
Okay.
Okay, so it is 98.
Okay, I'm on the 98.7 on the 5th number.
Okay, so 98.4.
Uh-huh.
98.9.
Uh-huh.
97.1.
Okay.
99.2.
Okay. Oops, sorry. Uh-huh, okay.
97.4.
Okay.
99.1.
Okay.
96.9.
Okay.
98.8.
Okay.
99.9.
Okay.
96.8.
Okay.
97.
Okay.
98.7.
Okay.
97.6.
Okay.
98.7.
Okay.
And 98.2.
Perfect. Okay. So now and then fill it out.
So did you find what X was?
So, and then we need to put the,
So the mean is found in that the third set down where it says variable 1. It says n is 20, mean is 98.
oh, okay,
See it there?
98.224, and then standard deviation 0.920.
922.
922.
Yeah. Because the mean is 98.22 and the standard deviation is 0.922.
And then the N20. So X, I have T, I have everything but X.
X is the 98.22 because
Oh, okay.
the U is 98.6.
Okay. 90.
So you're looking at the mean.
Uh-huh. And then what is S?
S is that it's called the standard deviation because the S is the standard deviation of just those variables right there.
Uh-huh.
It's a parameter variable. Is that what it's called? S is a sample statistic and not a population parameter.
Okay.
It's the same as the omega, but it's just with the sample.
Okay.
So 8, did you see 8 on that screen?
Yeah, 927,909.909.
No, the t-score. You're looking at the t-score, which is actually on the next line down. And it's that minus, it just says t, and it's a minus 1.843.
The T-score.
Yeah, did you get the t-score?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So the T-score for me shows 427.
No, that's the p-value. So on your form, did you go in on the null hypothesis up at the top, in the second set down?
Oh no, I didn't change.
Change it.
No hypothesis, 98.6.
Correct.
And the confidence level 0.95.
No, the confidence level is 97.988. Oh, yes. Yes. Confidence level is 0.95.
And then N is N20.
Yes.
And then type of test greater than.
The mu is supposed to be greater than, yeah, 98.6.
Okay, so T is going to be minus 1.843.
Correct.
Minus 1. Okay, got it now. And then what is p-value? Then the p, it's 0.9595.
But it's 3 decimals.
0.95.
Because it's 9595. So if you're rounding,
0.9060.
That's what I would put. That's one of them that we missed on the earlier one.
Oh, so let me just put 95.
959.
959, yeah.
960 is actually not the total we had earlier. Earlier we had 4.80.
Okay. Yeah, I'll just put 0.960 then.
Yeah.
What else did you miss?
We missed 11, and I think I changed it already, so I'm not gonna, I put 0.948 on 11.
On 11?
Yeah. So we missed 11, 10, and 9, but I already changed 10, 11, and I think I changed I'm pretty sure I changed 11 already.
So what is the correct decision? So 10, what is the correct decision based on this evidence? Fail to reject?
Well, the p-value is 0.960.
Also rejected null hypothesis?
We actually, on 10, it is reject the null hypothesis.
Oh, okay.
I always get those two confused as to which one you're supposed to use.
Yeah. It is very confusing, actually.
It's very bad. Okay, and then 11. So this is a whole different set of numbers. Do you want me to read them to you?
Okay, let me pull it up.
Actually, I may do that one again just because this is equal to.
I'm already copying. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
I just put by the side, but thank you. 15. And then the confidence level is still 0.95.
No, because look at the alpha is at 0.01.
So 0.90.
99. Uh-huh.
And then what is the mean?
So the mean is right up there. Did you change the null hypothesis to 40?
Yeah, I changed. But the mean is the same thing as the last numbers.
No, the mean is 40.048.
And the standard deviation
is 36.356.
And then N is 40.
No, N is how many you have there on that number. So N should be 21. Because you have lines 5 to 25, so it's 21 lines.
So for me, it shows that the p-value is 0.498.
Okay.
Is that what you got?
That's what I have.
Okay. So what decision do you make? Reject or fail? This time I think it's fail.
Yes, that's what we had.
Okay. So 13, you decided to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use age U less than 40. No, U greater than 40. And you keep the same level. It was right?
It's mu is less than 40.
Okay. And you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease?
So we went to that screen on that inference thing and changed the null hypothesis to like 39 and watch what it does to your p-value.
Oh, decrease.
Yeah.
So, but the null so is this decrease?
It is decrease.
Okay. What decision do you make? Fail or reject?
We fail.
Fail.
Yeah.
Okay. Now construct a 95% confidence interval for the true mean wait time between births at a hospital. What is the lower limit of this confidence interval?
Okay, this one is not coming up the same as what we had that passed. So, oh, we changed you changed the confidence level. Changed the confidence level to 95
To 95?
instead of 99. Mm-hmm. And then it changes your confidence interval. And remember, you're rounding to 1 decimal place.
Huh?
Remember, you're rounding to 1 decimal place.
Okay. So what is the lower limit? 23.5?
Yes.
What is the upper limit? The upper limit is 56.6.
Correct.
Okay, let's see. Are you redoing everything again?
Well, I didn't submit mine yet. I was waiting, and because I was kind of waiting for you so that I could go through it at the same time. So I'm going to submit it now. So
we missed 11 and 9.
Okay, so we still missed those.
Yeah.
So we're not figuring that one right. So I don't know what it is. So maybe she'll go over that.
Yeah, I think we should ask her because that's the only thing I can think of, because the p-value, what else it can be?
Well, the p-value on one of the things that they were talking about, they said that the p-value is divided in half on a one-sided thing, on a one-sided t-test.
Uh-huh.
So we had done that, but it was wrong. So I don't know. But we got 88%. So
yeah, it's good.
So I think it's good.
Yeah, I think it's good too. As a group, we always got like, let's see. What is it, 60? One of the group meeting, I got 60.
For today?
No, on lesson 5. I don't know why.
60? Let me see. For on the group meeting quiz?
Yeah, lesson 5 group meeting quiz, I have 60%.
I have 85.
Maybe no. We always.
Well, some of them we were changing things a little bit, and we didn't get all the same on one of them because we had to leave early.
Maybe it was that one. Huh, that's terrible. Yeah, because every other one I have like 194 and now 88.
That's okay. I'll take the 88.
Yeah, I'll take it though. I take that one too. I don't mind.
Yeah. I know. So okay.
Yeah.
So if you want to submit that one, we'll just have 2. Actually, I could go submit that one, and then you could just put it in the comments.
Okay.
So
yeah, I'll put it in the comments then. Yeah,
okay,
it works.
I'll go do mine now, I think. We'll see. And then you can just watch for it to go so that we can put it in the comments.
Sounds good.
Okay.
I'm going to stop this broadcast, okay? Okay, thanks. Okay. Thanks for staying with me.
Done right now. Bye.
Bye.